Assalamu alaikum dear students. Today our topic is about cellular structure and functions from chapter number 4, cells and tissues. We all are very familiar with the basic organization of cell. So students, here we will get some detailed learning about cellular structure and their functions. What is cell? Cell is made by the assemblage of organelles. Organelles means the parts of cells or components of cells. So there are some structure in cells that are not organelles but are still very important for cell. You know very well about cell. There are three main component of cell which are present in each cell. तीन ऐसे कंपोनेंट हैं जो हर सेल में प्रेजेंट होते हैं, वेदर इट इज़ यूनिसेलुलर और वेदर इट इज़ मल्टीसेलुलर, यूकैरियोटिक और प्रोकैरियोटिक. तीन ऐसी चीज़ें जो हर सेल में होती हैं. फर्स्ट वन इज़ सेल मेम्ब्रेन विच इज़ आउटर मोस्ट बाउंड्री वॉल. द सेकेंड वन इज़ न्यूक्लियस which is known as the power or the brain of a cell. Nucleus is also known as the brain of a cell. And the third one is cytoplasm, a fluid which is present between the cell membrane and nucleus is known as cytoplasm. So the three important component of cell which is present in each and every cell are cell membrane, outer boundary wall, nucleus, brain of the cell, and fluid, cytoplasm, which is present in between the nucleus and cytoplasm, cell membrane. Okay, the first one is cell wall. We know that all living organisms have cell walls around their cells. For example, animals and many animal-like protists. Cell wall is non-living and a strong component of cell, located outside plasma membrane. As you know that the plasma membrane is outermost boundary wall of cell, but in plant cell there is an other covering in cell membrane. Cell membrane के अंदर के बाहर एक और covering होती है which is known as cell wall, and this covering or this coating or this wall is present only in plant cell. So cell wall is present in only plant cell, not in animal cell. Okay, cell wall is non-living and a strong component located outside the cell membrane. And what is the function of this cell wall? It provides, that it is present only in plant cell. Why? Because it provides shape, strength, protection and support to the inner living matter और सेल. ये प्लांट सेल को यही वजह है कि प्लांट्स अपनी जगह से उखड़ते नहीं हैं. अपनी जगह से अगर एक्सट्रीम वेदर हो, विंड हो या थंडर स्टॉर्म हो, प्लांट्स अपनी जगह से नहीं उखड़ते क्योंकि ये सेल वॉल के कोटिंग होती है. सेल मेम्ब्रेन ओनली प्रेजेंट इन cell membrane is present in each cell, but in plant cell there is an other coating in cell membrane which is cell wall. So plant cells have a variety of chemicals in their cell wall. The outer layer of plant cell is known as primary and which is made up of cellulose. Cellulose is a form of sugar. Glucose, cellulose, sucrose, lactose, these all are the form of sugar. So mostly plants make cellulose in their body. Some plant cells, for example xylem cells, also have secondary walls on the inner side of primary walls. So these are pores in the walls of adjacents. These pores are called plasmodesmata. So there are two walls, primary wall and secondary wall. Okay, and the secondary wall is made up of chitin and the primary wall is made up of cellulose. Next one is cell membrane. Cell membrane, prokaryotic and eukaryotic cells have a thin elastic membrane covering the cytoplasm. Cell membrane functions. What is the function? It acts as a semi-permeable membrane. Act as a semi-permeable membrane. Permeable means permission to allow something. ठीक है, एक्ट एज अ परमिएबल मेम्ब्रेन, एक्ट एज अ बैरियर। बैरियर का क्या फंक्शन होता है? आप अपने स्ट्रीट पे बैरियर लगाते हैं, गेट लगाते हैं, उसका फंक्शन क्या होता है? इररेलेवेंट अननेसेसरी लोग आपके स्ट्रीट में ना आ सकें। सेम यही फंक्शन सेल मेम्ब्रेन का होता है। क्यों? ये कि सेमी परमिएबल बैरियर पे एक्ट करती है। इट अलाउइंग अ वेरी फ्यू मॉलिक्यूल्स अक्रॉस it while fencing the majority of chemicals inside cell. In this way, the cell membrane maintains the internal composition of cell. सेल मेम्ब्रेन का काम क्या होता है कि ये अलाउ करती है कि कौन से केमिकल, कौन सा मटेरियल सेल के अंदर एंटर हो सकता है, कौन सा नहीं हो सकता। जिसकी रिक्वायरमेंट होती है सेल को, वो सेमी परमिएबल बैरियर सेल मेम्ब्रेन के थ्रू अंदर चला जाता है। दैट्स व्हाई इट इज़ कॉल्ड semi-permeable membrane. So students, according to this chemical analysis reveals that cell membrane is mainly composed of proteins and lipids with small quantities of carbohydrates. Cell membrane basically है क्या, किस चीज़ से बनी है? Cell membrane is composed of proteins, lipids means fats, and carbohydrates. Carbohydrates is the combination of carbon, hydrogen and oxygen. So dear students, read out it thoroughly, the cell wall and cell membrane, and do the practice of diagram of animal cell and plant cell.